Hello, this video is being recorded with the permission of Farah, Strauss and Giroux. Hi, my name is Delwyn and I work at the Bull Run Regional Library, and today I would like to read you this book, The One Dog Canoe by Melanie Casanova. This looks like a lot of fun. A little girl on the cover is going for a canoe ride. Have you ever been for a canoe ride? It is a lot of fun. One Dog Canoe by Melanie Casanova. And here's our little girl. She has her picnic basket and her little dog is following her. And they're trotting down to a canoe. Here they are getting in. I set off one morning in my little red canoe, and my dog wagged his tail. Oh, can I come too? Do you think she's going to say yes? I think so. You bet, I said. A trip for two, just me and you. Her dog looked so happy. I dipped my paddle into ribbons of blue, and Beaver stopped chewing. Ah, can I come too? Oh, there's not much room. It's a one-dog canoe. But with a slap and a swim, Beaver scrambled in. He's pretty cute, isn't he? I think he would be fun to have in a canoe. I swished past ferns where dragonflies flew, and a loon stretched her wings. Oh, can I come too? Oh, I doubt you'll fit. It's a one beaver, one dog canoe. But with a woo-hoo flap, loon landed on my lap. Look at that. The loon has decided to have a canoe ride as well. Silently we glided under silver webs of dew, and Wolf peered from the pines. Hey, can I come too? Oh my goodness, that's a big wolf, isn't it? Oh, maybe next time it's a one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. Oh. But like an arrow on the wind, Wolf bounded in. Here he is at the front. Yeah, and he just fits, doesn't he? Still, I paddled on my way in a little red canoe, and Bear slid down from a tree. Hey, can I come too? Oh, we're pretty full. It's a one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. Surely he's not going to get in. Do you think? Oh no, look! Ah! But with a grunt, thump, kawump, Bear dropped on his rump. Wow, that is a big splash. I wonder if the canoe can stay afloat with all of those animals in it. Uh-oh. I J-stroked and C-strokes. What else could I do? Moose lifted his head. Oh, can I come too? Not a moose. He won't fit, will he? Oh, you'll do us in. It's a one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. He won't get in, will he? Oh no! But with a toss of his rack, Moose climbed in the back. Oh dear, I don't know where he's going to fit. We teetered and we tottered, and I glared at my crew, and Frog hopped on a rock. Can I come too? Oh look, he's so little. He could fit, don't you think? Maybe? Frog, can't you see? It's a one moose, one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog, canoe. But, ribbit, ribbit, with a leap, ribbit, ribbit, uh-oh, plop, swoosha, bang, flop. Oh no, look, they've all fallen out. Oh no, look, Bear is upside down. Oh, we splattered, splashed, swam. We drip dried in the sand. Oh, I'm sorry, Beaver said. We should have listened to you. I guess you were right. It's a one-dog canoe. Well, I started to grin. It's okay. We had a good swim. She's having a wonderful swim. I think everybody's enjoying themselves on a hot summer's day in the river. And then together we bailed till my vessel was dry, and with a push-a-swoosh glide, whoosh, we waved goodbye. And I set off that evening as the northern lights grew. Just me and my pal in my one-dog canoe. And that is the end of our wonderful story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Goodbye, everyone.